This is Hansshow new ambient lighting 3-in-1 device that allows you to light up your center console, your footwells, charge your AirPods and your phone all at the same time with a digital clock. So to install this, it takes less than 60 seconds. All you need to do is just place this device over your Model 3 and Y phone charger, your existing phone charger underneath the center display. So it comes in one piece with 2 wires on the left and right hand side that includes additional lighting for your footwells in the driver and passenger seat. So to install this, place it in and tuck it down, pushing on all 4 corners. It has the same chrome design as your Tesla Model 3 and Y interior. You have a digital display that has a clock and controls of different colors. We will turn this on and you can see how bright the ambient lighting is for the center console. So this allows you to not only continue to charge your cell phone wirelessly, you can also charge your AirPods and light up your cabin. This is the easiest install and kit available today for your Tesla Model 3 and Y to add a nice touch to the interior. You can see how bright the LED is. This is during the daytime, bright sunlight. You can change the brightness of the light as well as the color, and it can beat to sound such as music. You have these additional lights on the right and left hand side that can extend underneath your footwell. You can hide the light and make it seamless as if it was OEM lighting under your footwell. Here's the AirPods Charging. It has a groove to fit the AirPod Pro. And again, the digital display, you can customize that however you like. Of course, you can still charge your mobile devices, Android, iPhone. It still works as if it was OEM. If you're interested in this product, check out link in the description of this video.